Hello and welcome. Take a green colored paper circle and paste two eyes on it. I like adding details to my eyes. A tiny crown and heart-shaped cheeks. A U for the smile and done. That was quick. Let's begin by cutting thin strips on a paper and then curling them up. Now I will add some pink dots on the curls. Now I'll add the eyes and mouth. My octopus is ready. And all I need for this craft are paper circles in brown, black and white. I'll draw the mouth, add the circle ears and done. This is super easy. Hey now, here is a very fun craft. I'm going to show you how to make a springy penguin. So easy to make. Our paper crafts are still a way to go. Follow me and I'll show you more. With the help of this blue paper, I am now going to show you how to make a peacock. You have to fold the paper just like this so that you have foldable wings. What's next? I am going to fold these paper strips into each other and then make a round face with two ears. Yes, that is a bunny. Now time to add its limbs. Finally, it's time for us to play with it. Now what I am going to show, I bet you haven't seen an easier way to make a tiger with paper. Ready just in a jiffy. So we are at the end of our episode. But before I go, I'm going to show you how to make a cute mousey. Isn't this so easy to make? Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.